Students, this is your mathematics class for class 9th, chapter 1, number systems. This is your solution of lecture 5. Today you got two videos, one for the revision of all lectures of chapter number 1 and solution of lecture 5. In fifth lecture we discuss about rationalization and exercise 1.5 and laws of exponent exercise 1.6. First exercise 1.5 question number 5th part number 2nd. We have to rationalize this denominator which is present with square root. If you remember what is the rule, we have to multiply or divide with this number with the opposite sign. We have to change middle sign only which is present in between the two terms. If minus is there, we will take plus. If plus is there, we will take minus. So multiply with root 7 plus root 6 and divide also root 7 plus root 6. Multiply with the one as it is. If we will multiply it with root 7 minus root 6 with root 7 plus root 6. If you remember, it is a minus b, a plus b. A minus b, a plus b is equal a square minus b square. So root 7 square minus root 6 square. Then root 7 plus root 6, root 7 square minus root 6 square, which is equal root 7 plus root 6, root 7 square is 7, root 6 square is 6, and then it become 1. This is our answer. Second question is 1 upon root 7 minus 2. So we will multiply or divide with root 7 plus 2 or root 7 plus 2. Same identity applied here also. A minus b, a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So it becomes root 7 square minus 2 square. Root 7 square is 7 and 2 square is 4. 7 minus 4, 3. So answer is root 7 plus 2 upon 3. Next is exercise 1.6. Exercise 1.6 is related to laws of exponent. I took first question, second part, 32 raised to the power 1 upon 5. First of all, we have to change 32 with the prime factorization into a number which have power 5 because we want to cancel it. Sometime it is not possible, but sometime it is possible. So with the prime factorization, I saw it is 5 times with 2. So can I write like this? 2 raised power 5 and then whole bracket 1 upon 5. We know a law, when base is same and we have two different powers, the powers will be multiplied. Same here, we will multiply them. 5 cancel with 5. It is 2 raised to the power 1 and then it become 2. Second question, third part, 16, 3 raised to the power 16 raised to the power 3 upon 4. We will change this 16 with the help of prime factorization as 2 raised power 4 and then this whole power 3 upon 4. Same law, a raised to the power p then whole power q and the powers will be multiplied. Same here, we will multiply both the powers. 4 cancel with 4 and 2 raised power 3, then it become 8. Next, fourth part of second question is 125 raised to the power minus 1 upon 3. First of all, we have to change this number with the prime factorization 5 raised to the power 3 and then the whole power is minus 1 upon 3. 5, then again with the same law, we will multiply both the powers. Remember one thing, if we have minus and multiply is also there, two signs are there, mathematical operation, we will put bracket. 3 cancel with 3, 1 with minus 1, and then it is 5 raised to the power minus 1. So we will change this negative power to a positive power. We know that law, a raised to the power minus p become change is 1 upon a raised to the power p. Next question is third question part second, 1 upon 3 raised to the power 3 and the whole power 7. We know a law when a combined number in the division process have a combined power. We will separate them like this, a raised to the power p and b also raised to the power p. We will apply this law here. 1 raised to the power 7, 3 raised to the power 3 and whole power is 7. Now we will solve. We know this law. We will multiply both the powers. It is 1 upon 3 raised to the power 21. Third question, third part. 11 raised to the power 1 upon 2 division 11 raised to the power 1 upon 4. We know this law when same base with the different powers and division process is there, the powers will be subtracted. So 11 p minus q 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 4. We will take LCM and this is our answer. So this is the solution of your lecture 5. If you have any query, then please mention in comment box. So prepare well for your tomorrow test of chapter number 1 and 2. Thank you very much.